Yo, what's up, y'all? Tell y'all a story. I worked on this when I got to prison in 2014. I was sentenced to 18 months in federal prison. Prior to going to prison, I was in a depression for 3.5 years. I lost $934,000 in cash, 9 rental properties that brought me in $7,000 a month. I lost the financial consulting business that brought me in $330,000 a year. I lost my real estate broker's license. I lost my property management business. I lost custody of my son. I lost my principal residence, my cars, my furniture, everything. And I was left with $1,900 and had to go to prison. And I was depressed. How I came out of my depression was when I got to the joint, I started talking with other inmates about their charges and their cases and their lives. And I found that I wasn't the only one that had crashed and burned. That there were several other people, several other men that had lost more than what I had and had more time. And they all seemed upbeat. They all seemed full of hope. I wasn't full of hope and I wasn't upbeat because I was living in the past. I was looking backwards. Damn, I lost all that money. Damn, I lost my house. Damn, I lost my son. Damn, I lost my cars. Damn, I lost my business. Damn, I lost my money. I was looking back, living in the past, wallowing in it, stewing in it, rolling around in it, stuck like Chuck. And this is why it's so important that when you are experiencing a rough part in your life, a rough season, a rough situation, that you talk to somebody, man. Pain shared is pain lessened. And by me talking to these dudes and hearing their stories, and some of us even laughed. We would laugh. And I remember I was talking to TJ. Shout out to TJ. TJ was a dude from India. He's not from India, he's from America, but he's Indian, of India, in Asia. And me and him was by the water fountain. And he had lost like $1 million, 2 million something. And we were talking about it, man. And yo, we started busting out laughing, man, about our downfalls, our situations. And this was the first time I had laughed in 3.5 years. And yo, I mean, I was like, busting out tears, laughing from my gut, from my soul. And that was where my comeback started, right there. And that was where I stopped looking backwards, living in the past, and I started to look forward. And I used to say this here to me, and all the niggas that was locked up with me, they know, if you ever meet them, if they tell you that they was at FCI Morgantown with me, they'll tell you, I used to always say, and I came up this with myself, I used to write this down. Writing is also very therapeutic if you want to get through a situation. I used to write down, my best days are in front of me. My best days are in front of me. And I used to repeat this to myself 94 times a day, 117 times a day, 249 times a day. I would repeat this to myself, man, my best days are in front of me. I just got to get out of here. My best days are in front of me. And what that did for me, it kept me looking forward instead of focusing on the past and what was behind me that I could not change. And that helped me come out of my depression because it gave me hope that my best days were in front of me. And the fact that I repeated it to myself just embedded it in my subconscious mind and helped me, man. So maybe this story can help you. The past is gone. It's done. It's dead. You can't change it. It's over. But what you can do is change your thinking in yourself today, and you can make the life that you want for yourself in the future by doing what you need to do today. Podcast with Soul. Peace.